5 incredible gadgets that will change your life.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Mini Brew Craft Home Brewing Kit. The Mini Brew Craft is an all-in-one worktop brewing device. It'll take roughly 10 days to turn raw items into a keg of around 5 liters of freshly poured beer. Cowboy 3 Electric Bike. The Cowboy electric bike has been through 3 iterations. A lithium-ion battery is concealed inside the 16.9 kilograms frame, with a single-gear automatic gearbox as standard equipment. An oil-free carbon belt transmission, lower gear ratio, and puncture-resistant tires are the latest bike features. Theragun Prime Massage Gun. The Theragun is one of these gadgets. It resembles a weapon or a vital instrument, but it's pretty benign. Theragun Prime is a percussive therapy gadget that applies pressure to your body up to 40 times per second for therapeutic massage. Yoto Player Interactive Audio Player. The Yoto Player is a contemporary version of the tactile and exciting pastime. Instead of tapes, this groovy little audio player uses cards to play music. There are several old tales to choose from. For example, there are several cards with podcasts, radio, and activities on which you may find the Gruffalo and Roald Dahl's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Xiaomi Mi Air Charge. It's called Mi Air Charge technology, and it utilizes 144 tiny antennas to transfer power to your phone via a narrow beam. According to Xiaomi's example, you may walk into a room, and your phone will begin charging even if something stands between it and the outlet. Thank you for watching.